Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. It's time for another giveaway. A little backstory to this giveaway. So I am an unabashed fanboy of the Mobula7. I have been enjoying it a lot. I like it flying in the house because, well, probably because I'm lazy, you know. Why go outside when I could just fly inside? Plus it lets me fly at night. It's part of my bedtime routine. I wanted to do a giveaway. I contacted Jason because I know that there are pre-orders and back orders just all over the internet. Everybody's trying to get their hands on one of these. And when I contacted Jason at Happy Model, I said, can I buy some directly from you? And I thought I would take this month's budget for running the channel, and I would take that money and I would buy some. And he just said, well, how many do you want? And so I thought I was kind of pushing my luck, and I said, you know, I'd like to give away 4. I'd like to give 4 people the chance of winning one of these. And he came through. He's just like, sure, no problem. And he sent me a box, and it has arrived, and here we have it right in front of us. Now, there is something to note about all of these, and that they are all FR Sky versions. As you see there, the little pen mark by FR Sky. So if you're a Spectrum user, you're kind of out of luck. If you're FlySky, you're kind of out of luck. You can add a receiver to these, but you will need to source your own receiver because they do come with the built-in FR Sky receiver that's built into the board. But it does have pads to where you can add your own receiver, or if you want to do super long range in your FR Sky and you want to add an XM Plus or something so you can go further, you're free to do that. But that is what we have. I wanted to make sure everybody knows that. It is new in box. Let me open this one up just to show you. Instruction manual. There is no batteries. Well, let me double check. I haven't really been through these. Oh, there's 2 batteries. I'll go through each one of these to make sure it's even. If it turns out one of them doesn't have 2 batteries, I'll take a couple of my batteries and put them in there. I am going to ship them like this, so I need to be sure I ship them. Oh, I put that back together wrong. I need to ship these. I'll pay for shipping if the winners are within the continental U.S. Did I put that together wrong here? What's going on? How does this go back together? Well, I'll look in another box and get that fixed later. So again, I'll pay for shipping if you're within the continental U.S. If one of our international friends wins, I'm going to ask you to pay for shipping. I'll split the cost with you as long as we don't get into a huge number on that cost. Generally, I use United States Postal Service because it's real cheap, and I think it's relatively timely as well. I mean, you can pay $50 for DHL shipping to get it in 2 days, but this probably isn't. I would, if you want to do that, if you want it so bad and you want it right away and you want to pay the highest rate of shipping, that's fine. You can spend your money how you want to spend your money, but I won't be splitting that cost with you. That's where kind of the cutoff is. Normal shipping rates, usually the least expensive, I'll split that with our international friends as long as it's not going to be like $80. I shipped a package probably 6-8 months ago to Israel, and the winner selected that package, and it was like 2 or 3 quads, and I think it had goggles and maybe a radio in it as well, and shipping to Israel was, I think, $77. But there are, of course, all sorts of other shipping methods out there. You can do some research. We'll communicate via email, and we can work that out. But the typical rules for the giveaway is 1, you have to be a subscriber. 2, you need to leave 1 comment and 1 comment only. You need to like the video. Let's see if we can get that like button to be the same as our comment button. Don't ask a question in your comments because I won't be responding. Because if I responded and then you come back, then we end up having a problem because you've got now 2 comments in the comment section. So just 1, don't ask a question. Continental US, I'll pay for it. If we ship internationally, I'll either split the cost with you or we'll work something out to where I help to decrease your cost of trying to get a Mobula7. But I think this is a pretty good giveaway because these things are really hard to get a hold of. I know that there's been people out there waiting 4, 6, 8 weeks for theirs that they've pre-ordered to arrive. I know that a lot of U.S. vendors are getting these shipped in. So I feel very privileged. And Jason from Happy Model, thank you very much for sending me this. I know that this takes money right out of your pocket. So I do appreciate you helping me and then the channel and all the people that come to this channel get their hands on a Mobula7. That's really all I have to say about that. So be a subscriber. Click that subscribe button if you haven't already. Leave a comment down below and click that like button as well. So just those 3 things get you in. I'm going to let this run for a week. That way we can have as many participants as possible. You know, some people only watch on the weekend. Some people only watch their weekend might be a Tuesday, Thursday, or a Wednesday, Thursday sort of thing. So I want to make sure that everybody that comes to the channel has an opportunity to enter the win a Mobula7. And then we'll do the drawing video after that week expiration. I'll close the comments. We'll have the video, so click that bell. That would be another good thing, so you get a notification that the results video is up. I will also be making contact with the people that the random comment picker selects, and then we'll work out getting these shipped out to the people that are selected. Good luck to everyone. Make sure you follow our sequence of events to enter the win one of these. I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.